Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this OPPO. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm over here if it's not already on and click on the red plus icon at the top right corner. Then you can set up an hour and when you're done, choose ring once or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to click on it and select repeat. Over here, pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Tuesdays and go back. Now you have to click on more over here. And then you can click on the switches next to vibrate and snooze to disable or enable these features. When you're done, click on alarm name, type wherever you want to, and when you're done, choose ringtone. Then click allow, and over here you can pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also just select from files, click allow and pick music from your device by clicking on the song that you want to set up and going back as well. When you're done, click on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and choosing one of the options. If you want to turn it back on, click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!